Now, work is almost complete on a giant sculpture of St Piran, which is set to make a historic voyage across the Channel to France.
The granite statue has been created over the last year by master stone carvers at a quarry near Penryn in Cornwall. Cathy Wardle has more details.
Deep in a quarry at Maid near Penryn is the rhythmic sound of a dying art. Stéphane Rouget and David Payton are craftsmen who spent the last year lovingly hand-carving this 6-ton St Piran from a huge block of granite.
Here in this quarry, we are probably the last one doing stone masonry by hand. It's a lost industry in a way. It used to be hundreds in Penryn, so we need to bring it back. That is a way to bring it back to life.
The statue tells the story of St Piran, said to have been pushed into the sea in Ireland with a millstone round his neck before miraculously floating across to Perranporth.
There are kind of multiple layers to who this person might have been. So we've reflected the story of St Piran in the granite. So we've got the main body of St Piran is Cornish granite from Carnsue Quarry. And then we've got a base that'll be Breton granite, and then the millstone is from Southern Ireland.
In May, he set sail for France before being installed at the Valley of the Saints, an arts project that's been dubbed Brittany's Easter Island. The aim is to have 1,000 saintly statues over the next 50 years. A project called the Giant's Crossing will see 5 new sculptures shipped in from other Celtic nations. St Piran will be the first to arrive and the 100th at the park.
It's bringing old skill alive, teaching new sculptors to do monumental sculptures, as well as providing a lovely park for people to go for free, wander around and get in touch with the Celtic heritage that Brittany has.
In May, the sculpture will be in Falmouth for a Breton market and a chance for people to give him a big St Piran send-off. Cathy Wardle, ITV News, Mabe.